Hey guys, welcome to another segment right now on the Ecto 1 project. Stay tuned for what's going to be happening on this video.
Self-destruct sequence activated.
Hey guys, welcome to another update right now on the Ecto 1 roof rack project. I want to go ahead and print out this right here. This is for the storage tanks that I'm going to be getting the pipe for. That's going to go on the other side. I think it's the right side. This print actually failed. It kind of shifted a little bit, but that's because I had it on 100%. I should have slowed the print down a little bit. But after I've kind of realized, this is the other fill print that I kind of printed, and this is the newest one. And you kind of see they are exactly too small. So basically, I've kind of shortened it up a little bit, so that's pretty good. But I wish it was this size a little bit, but I'm not going to go ahead and worry about it. I mean, I can always get some something else for it, though. But I'm kind of wanting to go ahead and start on another print right now. I'm getting ready to start on it. So this one is a little bit. Also, I got the my Proton Pack game versions. I got some of the parts out right here. I'm repairing them right now. This I got to repair, and this I got to glue on right here. So I'm kind of just repairing some stuff and getting some stuff ready of like what stuff I'm going to be using, what stuff I'm not going to be using. Like I got this ready. I got the little lights. I got these out. I got this out because I'm going to use that. I got this out. And I even painted these right here, which I'm going to go ahead and paint these silver. That way it gives them a nice little touch. So I'm going to go ahead and start on this print right here. And we'll go ahead and talk about more about this stuff. Okay guys, it's been a couple of hours. So I pretty much got this stuff here all painted now. Those parts there are done for the Proton Pack. I haven't worked on this for a while because other projects have been coming in my way. Plus I want to get them done. But pretty much those are pretty much done. I want to go ahead and see about getting if I can find it. Here it is. My heat gun right here. And just use the heat gun to probably clear this up a little bit. Well, that didn't work as well, but it's, well, not exactly good. It's not exactly clear, but it's something. Now, this part here is for, I was going to put a light in it, but I decided not to. I'm just going to leave it for decoration. But I got the other part already glued back on. Now I just have to figure out how I'm going to, I'll just use some tape. I'm good. I'll just use some tape right here. Alright, that was easy. But I managed to get on there for some tape to hold it into place. This guy is sitting right here for now. Now the only thing I gotta think about, how am I going to get this to bend? Because what I want to do is I want to go ahead and put some green slime in this to make it more like in the game. But what I want to do is have it to where it can bend like this, Or maybe I'll just shorten it. Yeah, I'll just shorten it. Where's the scissors? Where's my scissors at? Oh boy. Oh, that are right in front of my face. Yeah, I'll just trim it about that much. There. This stuff is very thick right here, you guys, because, oh, don't need that. So what I can do is I can heat this up and have it like this on something and just have it gravity just pull it down in time. So I'm just trying to figure out what I got that's exactly this diameter that I can use to put this on here. There, I kind of have it right over here with a C-clamp right here, just to let gravity just do its job and just bend it a little bit. But I might end up just doing this, clamping it onto this part. Now I just have to hold it into place. Oh wait, I don't know if it's gonna work. I don't want to break it again. There, I kind of just did it right back there because that's basically all I can do right there. So just let gravity just pull this down a little bit, just to bend it a little bit. Once it gets about be right here, it'll probably be alright. So just let it sit right there for the past couple of weeks and see how it is. So guys, it's been about over 20 hours since I've been printing this one out to see how it comes, but basically it's too small. Basically, I'm going to make it a little bit bigger, so I'm just trying to use up some of this filament. But this is why I use a glue stick to hold it down. So that's why I use glue sticks. So there you have it. That's why if your bed on your printer is not sticking, use a glue stick. I use the purple because that's what I like. And it's very easy to work with. So yeah, I want to keep you guys more update on this right here. And see how it goes. Okay guys, it's basically the next day right now, and I have done some things I want to go ahead and explain to you guys a little bit about this printer. Now basically the first time I did it, this is the felt print right here. But then when I print out the second time, this is also another felt print. And I just basically put the other felt print that was basically splitting and everything, and I'd sand it. This made it like that. So basically this is a felt print. And so does this. But this one, however, is a successful print. That turned out a lot better than I would have hoped. I still got to drill out the hole right here because this one got closed. But basically all, that is the exact same size as that one. So it is 75%, so I gotta remember that. So this is now I can throw away. Now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I've done to this printer right here and how I got this print right here if you are having trouble with your prints. Now yesterday I was tinkering with this right here and I found an extra motor for this right here, and basically I could tell this right here is worn and torn a little bit right here, but it could just be the motor that just need to be replaced. So I did keep this motor right here just in case for emergency if I need to replace something, but I did replace the motor with a brand new one. But if I turn this on right here, and I'll show you guys of what I've done to the settings. I took a look at the settings and I thought, that's a little bit weird of what is going on. So let me go ahead and here's what I found. So here is what happened. Here's X and here's Y. Now what I've done is I basically just turn this right here and I just lower this down a little bit right here. Like that. And then when I went to this here, I slowed it down about another 10 and slowed it down to another 10. So that's basically all I've done to get a good print right here. So now this is all set up. Hopefully that will save it. But I'm going to go ahead and turn this back off. So there you have it, guys. I've basically figured out of what's going on with the prints. Why are they failing? Why is it shifting? I had to lower it a little bit. So I just lowered it about 10%, and then it actually worked great. So now I'm going to see if those settings on this thing, if that's also the case. Also, that little print there used up all the filament. Almost. So I'm very happy with that. So now I'll go ahead and start on the next ones. Okay, guys. Just to get you guys a little bit of a heads up right now. A couple days has passed and I've kind of rearranged the main cave a little bit. So I'll go ahead and show you of what I have done. Basically, all that over there is still the same. But over here where the workshop is, I changed it. So basically, I have a little corner of me working over here. That way no dust don't get over there on the displays. But also I want to show you guys a little something. I managed to get... Sit you guys down for a minute. Alright, sit you guys down for a minute. Look what I got done. Not too bad. I mean, it's a little rough, but basically I kind of want it rough, like it's been like abused like for a little bit. I still gotta weather it a little bit, but this is pretty cool. It's still a little bit sticky right now because I just got done painting a little bit, but I managed to get this done. So I want to show you a comparison of what we exactly had. This is the comparison of what we had. And look at the difference now. A big difference. So basically, now we're one step closer. Now this is done. Now the one thing left for me to do now is make a couple more things. I gotta make the tanks. Then I gotta make the box that all this is gonna sit in. Paint that white. Put this in. And, oh, now I got some white paint. I can actually paint that, too, so I can get that done. So, let me go ahead and get all the stuff out that we just got done doing. So, here is the top of the fan that's going to sit on. We got one success plate done for one of the tanks. We started on the control box for the lights and for the siren and for basically anything else. We have the siren itself. We got done. We got this bit. I forget what this is called, but we got this bit right here. So that's done. We even got another heatsink right here, but I might end up doing something different with this. I might end up 3D printing out this again about 70%, about 75% basically. So I might end up doing this 75% to see how this actually looks. So I already got that on the printer. I just have to print it out. And then we also have the two ones done right here, but I might print these out again. That way they're more fresh. And because I did replace a motor on that, we even got two vents for the hood. And these are just parts. Right now. The only part that I basically made myself is this and this and this part. Except this here, this is 3D printed. So basically, all together, we almost have exactly the roof rack pretty much almost assembled. So I'm going to go ahead and print out these two right here. I got some filament coming. And I even got to get the pipe right there. So I'm going to get filament and the pipe. So guys, right after I got done with that clip. And this is the next day basically. So after I got done with the clip from yesterday, I just happened to remember something. Now because I got white paint. And I got that part that I showed you yesterday done. I totally forgot that this right here needs to be white. I've been meaning to paint this, but I never had some white paint. So now I got some white paint. So let's go ahead and take this outside and get it spray painted. Mission accomplished. Now I just have to wait for a while until it's dry enough for me to bring it in. And then what I'll do is when I bring it in, I'll glue this one. And I consider that part there to be done. Good morning, guys. It's basically the next day, and after I took it outside to paint it, it got dark out, and I decided just to let it cure outside, and I forgot to bring it in before I went to bed. So basically, I got it back inside right now, and it's I've been working on it a little bit. So I want to show you guys. Here it is. All painted, all done. I even put a nice little decal on it just to give it character. I mean, looks alright. So now we got 4 parts done. So we got the fan part done. We got this part done. We got the siren done. And we got this little lightning deflector, whatever it's called, done. So we got 4 parts done. And I'm working on now of getting these right here prepped to get these done. So these will be done. So that's basically all I'm doing. So I want to touch this up a little bit. This one's okay. I'm not going to worry about this one, but this one is not. I'm going to touch this one up a little bit and get this worked on. So guys, a couple days has passed. I got a couple of things done. I did them off camera basically because that's what I basically do. I got the control panel for that done, and I did test it. It works fine. Now I am working on the bottom plate right now for the box. I'm going to start on the box a little bit, but I kind of ran into a little something right now. The stuff that I actually ordered, this is a 12 by 16 sheet. This is what I got. I got 10 of them. So basically I got there was 10 in a pack. I got 2 packs. So basically I got 20. Haven't even opened up the other one yet, but look how flimsy this is. Yeah. I mean, that's like very flimsy. So what I've been doing off camera, I've been getting some super glue, I've been getting some clamps, however. I've been doing this right here. This here has been, I've been gluing these in, got clamps on here, clamp them all down, just to see if I could do that. That way I can get this bottom part done, that way I can start doing on the other parts. But so far it's not going to be looking that good. And I even got some more filament. I got that done. I got to find out where I'm going to put this thing. I'll probably put it right here. I've been doing a little something, however, because I am selling this right here because it's too big, too annoying. I got this closet here emptied out so I can actually use this and put a little workbench in here with a little light, and also have all my cutting tools in it. That way when I cut, I can cut. That way no dust or anything will go right in here. That way it's quarantine it in that. I don't have to worry about that. So that'd be great. So that's basically all I have right now. Next, I want to go ahead and start on this right here and get some stuff printed. Oh guys, it's been about a day right now with the stuff right here. I've been tinkering over some things. I did a couple tests on, because the glue that I had was, even the super glue wasn't even holding up real good. So I tested some tests on a couple of things. One, this is just my hot glue gun right here with these two right here. I just did some tests, and they're holding great right there, and that is excellent. So I might just end up using my super glue, my glue gun. Now this, however, is a fail. This was just my Elmer's wood stick glue, and yeah, it failed completely. And one thing about it is that it's still wet too underneath, so yeah, that did not work at all. And this was sitting under some clamps for about a day, and this did not work at all. But I managed to get some stuff done, and I built this box right here. Now this is where the controls are going to be sitting right there, right behind the fan right here. So this is where it's going to be. And actually, I didn't mean to make it this long, but I mean, it's something. It looks nice. Also, at night, I was working all night for this thing that I was getting ready to show you guys. I'm half asleep still. I've been up since about 3 o'clock in the morning, and it's like 9 now. I only got like 6 hours sleep. So I did this right here, and this is where that antenna is going to go. Right there. I even got this marked out right there. I might have to modify a little bit because this is all wobbly right here. So I might end up modifying it because I don't want it to go bend down or nothing. So I'm just going to probably put another one on it, glue it, and then be done with it. But it came out a little bit better than I hoped, my version. I put this in, but I don't think it's going to hold. Yeah, it's not going to hold, so I'm just going to take it off. So I'm just going to take that off right now, and it'd be like, it would be nice. But this is pretty much done. I just have to drill holes for it and get this painted, and I call this right here done. So that's done. So after a while of me kind of looking at this box right here, I might just go ahead and just paint it. I did use my glue stick for my hot glue gun. Took a little bit, And there's also one inside right here too to hold some weight, and it's pretty strong. So I'm gonna go ahead and paint this right here and get this right here painted, but I might end up taking that off so I can get that done, have that in the done colony, and then I can put all this stuff right here I got done away until I get something else done, and then I can start 3D printing some stuff out. So that would be basically it. So guys, I'm giving you a little update. This managed to got done printing. That's done. And this got done printing. And then this one got done printing. And I'm printing out another one of this. I decided to go ahead and just print out another 2 more, brand new, because the one for this one broke. So I decided I'm just going to use this for a future project. So yeah, I'm still going to keep you guys posted. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a little bit of an update right now on the Ecto 1 roof rack project. I pretty much I got one printed out right now, and I pretty much got this I kept the support in just to make that way it's more stronger. I kept that in there. I got 2 of these done. I got 2 of the other ones done. I'm working on the second one of this one right here, and it says about 24 hours from now it'll be done. So that means I can start on another one tomorrow. So once this is done, I mean, it does look a little bit like it's wanting to, but I'm not going to worry about that. I mean, I can always sand them off a little bit. But that is what it's liking. So that's pretty good. So once these are fully printed, I'm going to put some body putty on them for our cars. I'm going to put that on it to make them more stronger. And then I'm going to put them on the pipe and paint them, and then set them aside and be done with them. So that means that will be off mine, and then on to the next one. So guys, after a couple hours later, I woke up this morning and it was finally done. So now I've got 2 of these. I've got 2 of these. And now, finally, I got 2 of these. So now I finally got these done, and I'm kind of doing some work on them as is. So that's pretty good. So after I'm done doing some work on them, I am printing out, finally, the faceplate of that. And it's a little bit bigger than I thought. Now, this right here will take about 17 hours and 28 minutes left on it. And it's been printed for about 7 hours, so it will be done by tomorrow. 17 hours, yeah, it should be done by tomorrow. So I got a whole bunch of support on here. It's on there sticking. It's about 45% in scale. It's, to tell you the truth, it's actually kind of a little bit wobbly but it's a little bit okay, I guess. Guess I can see if I can put something and just to support it. Nope, that's too small. That's not wide enough. So yeah, it's pretty much done. I'm very happy that this is almost done, so I can get to work on putting this together, and then I can put that together right there and get that part on there and start doing some of the wiring too, so that'd be good. So yeah, so once this is done, I'm going to go ahead and have this print out, and we're going to go ahead and put this thing together, and then we are going to print out the arrow. I'll show you guys that in a little while, and then probably the next clip right there. So once this gets done, I'll let you guys know, and we'll get this started. So guys, 3 days has just passed recently, and I got done 3D printing the faceplate for the top portion of it. And I tell you what, I've been working on this a couple of days, and I've been getting a couple of things on it just to give it more of a flex to it. But let me tell you something. I'm looking at it right now, and it's a finished product, almost. I still have some more sanding to do. But let me tell you guys something, what I've been working on last time. Now, the fan part, this is the original one. I upgraded from this and got this basically put right on here and put. So this is the first one that I had on the roof rack project. And then for that little part there, I want to show you this. Look at that. I mean, are you literally kidding me right now? This looks so good that I'm amazed right now. I mean, pretty much everything is going to be painted and everything, but I still got a lot of sanding and work to do. But also, I haven't thought about, like, I found these little L brackets I had from a past project I took apart and tossed in the garbage. I didn't really need, but I did save some hardware. So I ended up saving these L brackets right here. And I thought, you know what? I want an easy way to take this off if I want to put something else on or upgrade this that I got right here. But I tell you what, this looks pretty damn good. Now, these little holes right here, if I can find the hose, actually I found it. Here it is, right here, the hose. Now so this is not going to be the hose. I was just going to have the hose wrap inside, but I thought, you know what? No, I'm not going to do that. So if I put this and this in here, like so, like that, that's what it looked like. So basically, I need to order more of this just to get this in. So I got something like this on the way, probably. I'm not for sure. But I got like some of these old parts from my Terminator project, from the Terminator. And I put them all in here, like for the rivets, like for the hands that did not really work out. I put these in to make them look more like rivets. I put some of the small screws in here. I left some like if Egon Spangler was on here. So what I'm going to do in the next video, I'm going to go ahead and paint this. And I'm going to take this off and paint it. And I'm going to work on this more and get this more caught up. But basically, this is now one part. If I hold this, look, one hand. Because this is attached to this now. I am so happy and so thrilled of this thing right here. And the way it feels, it's lightweight. I don't have to worry about it being so heavy. I mean, look at that. Just look at this. I mean, this is perfect. Now, this is going to be white, and this here is going to be white as well, but I'm going to paint it silver. So what I'm probably going to do is I'm probably going to paint a nice gloss black and have it and get some chrome and paint chrome on it and have a nice silver to it. So that's what I'll probably do. So basically this is an upgrade from the original one that I had. Now these right here wasn't exactly attached like this was. Like if it was attached it would be like this. But this here are major improvements of what I have gotten to this. I'm very happy with the results. I'm very happy with this. I took all the stuff that are done. I put them in storage. That way they can be in storage for a little while. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take this off and take this apart and get this outside to paint. That's what I'm going to do in the next video. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys like this build series. And if you haven't subscribed, hit subscribe. And if you also hit that like button. And I'm thinking about what I should do about these right here. Probably I'll put some wires in here or something to make it look more like great. So I might put something else in here just to make it more like uneven or something. So I might do something like that. But I'm going to take this off, work on this more, and then paint this and get this done. And then attach it right back on. That way it's done over with. I don't have to worry about it. So I hope you guys like the video. And I know this is a long build series, but I just want to go ahead and get something out for you guys. So hope you guys enjoy this build series. And hopefully, I hope you guys enjoyed it.